Hey guys, so you know we launched this awesome 5 kilogram PowaWipes bucket where you find 1,000 wipes inside this bucket with an 80% SABS approved alcohol to sanitize on the go. Well, here's some good news. We've also launched a baby bucket, perfect for kids at school or at home in the kitchen or in your office on your desk. This SABS approved product has an 80% alcohol content with 250 wipes inside. Easy to carry, you can put it in your bag, you can put it in your car, you can leave it on your desk, it's up to you. You can find this product at one of your favorite retailers. Also, on top of that, we've launched the big boy. This fella is a 10 kg bucket with 3,500 wipes, SABS approved, and also an 80% alcohol content. Now you've got bulk wipes on a stand or on a tabletop, in a business or at home, ready for you to sanitize, wipe, and have peace of mind that your surface areas are bug-free. Thank you very much for following us as we grow our brand.